Traders speculate on the short-term movements of financial markets, and traders are able to speculate by buying, hoping that the price in a market will rise, and selling, hoping that prices will fall. There are thousands of tradable markets for home-based traders. Some are rising whilst some are falling. This is the essence of the dynamics of supply and demand that plays out in the markets every day. A trader's job is to assess supply, which is selling, and demand, which is buying, in a market and draw conclusions as to which side is likely to win in the short term. Prices rise and fall constantly. Even in the strongest of markets, traders are able to make a profit by short-term selling in between the spurts of buying momentum. However, it's most common for traders, especially beginner traders, to make money trading in line with the short-term momentum and price trend. When prices are rising, traders buy, and when they're falling, then traders will sell. The job of a trader is to pick the right market to trade at the right time in order to make money by buying or selling and managing their risk. Traders make decisions to buy or sell based on their market analysis. Unlike investors who make long-term decisions and may assess fundamental aspects of a company or market to assess value, most modern-day independent traders are in and out of trades quickly, sometimes making many trades in both directions every day. They tend to assess value, overbought or oversold conditions in a market using real-time electronic price charts. They assess markets from a technical viewpoint, and this is called technical analysis or chart analysis. Traders assess the information provided on a chart, and this information is based on two things: trading volume and price. Traders' charts depict the movement of price and represent how price is moving in accordance to the dynamics of supply and demand. Price charts show historical buying and selling data. They show surges in demand as price rises and surges in supply as price falls. They also show the direction of any longer-term momentum or trend. Traders aim to predict future price movement using this historical technical data. Charts show us that price moves in certain ways that are never identical. However, there are some common patterns that tend to repeat, and when markets show their hand and momentum's very strong, then the odds favour a continuation. Traders wait for what they assess to be a statistical repeating pattern in price consolidation areas or a high probability surge in price movement before taking their trade. If they're correct, then they make money. If they're wrong, then they lose money. Their aim is to make money over a period of trades by making more frequent positive decisions than negative, and getting the correct balance between risk and reward on each trade.